There are many ways to test your alarm install once all the wiring is done. One way is the walk test. Once you enable the walk test, you start opening and closing each zone. If you have a siren connected, you will hear the siren go off momentarily every time you open or close the zone. Of course, if that zone is a motion detector, every time you walk in front of the motion detector, the siren will go on when motion is detected and will go on again when the motion stops. Let's see how to start the walk test. First, press the power button on the top left corner of your keypad, followed by your installer code. In my case, the installer code is the default 0000. Now press TBL, followed by 6, to enable the walk test. At this point, the walk test is enabled. Press Enter. Press Enter again. Now press Clear to exit this mode. Now you can do your walk test. In my test environment, I have a piezo siren connected instead of an actual siren. Let's go ahead and do our test. First, I will open the door contact connected to my K32 keypad. It is programmed as Zone 13. Now, let me close the zone. Let's do the same for the motion detector on Zone 2. Once you're done testing all your zones, you need to turn off the walk test. To do that, you repeat the same steps we did to enable the walk test. Press the power button on the top left corner of your keypad, followed by your installer code. In my case, the installer code is the default 0000. Now press TBL, followed by 6, to disable the walk test. At this point, the walk test is disabled. Press Enter. Press Enter again. Now press Clear to exit this mode. Another way to do the walk test is to use Babyware. While Babyware is connected live to the panel, click on the Test Zones button. You will notice that all the programmed zones numbers will appear in black and orange colors. Every time you open a zone, the zone number will change to green when the zone is open, then turns gray when the zone is closed. Once finished testing all the zones, click the Abort Test button. The walk test is an effective way to test that the zones are functional when you are doing the install by yourself. You still need to do an actual test with the monitoring station to make sure all triggered zones report alarm signals.